Hey best friends, welcome back or welcome to Extremely Modest. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys some helpful tips on how to layer your bed for the fall season. So if you are interested in today's video, please keep on watching. First, of course, you want to start off with a clean sheet set. My sheets are the same cotton sateen sets that I've been using in my previous videos. These sheets have held up really nicely. I actually love them, and I also love that they are perfect for all seasons. So next I'm adding in a relaxed linen and cotton quilt. It's also perfect for all seasons. I love this quilt because it's so soft yet very durable, and since it's linen, you know that it'll just get softer after each wash. I really love using like cotton and linen because I feel like they both provide you to feel cool in the summer months and then warm and cozy in the winter. Next, you're going to line your flat sheet and your quilt up together. Then you're going to fold them down the bed, making sure that all sides are even and tucked tightly together. I think the key to making a really perfect bed is to make sure that everything is neatly tucked and even. And on the end of the bed, I like to get a tight fold. You guys let me know that I wasn't doing the hospital fold, so I'm not going to give it a name. Just make sure that the ends are tightly tucked in together. I think this is perfect because one, it keeps your feet super cozy at night when it's really cold, and also two, it really makes for an easy way to make your bed in the morning. All you have to do is just pull your sheets up because at the end of the bed it's already tightened up for you. Next, you're going to want to add in your sleeping pillows. I like to kind of hide these bad boys in the back. Then I'm going to use 2 king pillows. I'm using also linen pillowcases for these. I like using king pillows. I have a queen size bed, but I feel like the king pillows really gives a oversized and comfy look. Of course, you're going to want to add in some decorative pillows, completely your choice. Add them in as many as you like or don't add any. And yes, we're going to do those karate chop on those pillows. Definitely not needed, but oh so necessary. I picked up this accent pillow at HomeGoods. I thought it was a pretty decent price. So instead of adding in like a bright orange or like a bright yellow, I added in this simple accent pillow that still gave me a warm and cozy feel for fall, but also still complemented my neutral decor. Next on layering, I'm adding in a duvet. This duvet is super comfortable and cozy. Adding a duvet with an insert can really provide you with much needed warmth for the colder seasons. To create a really fluffy and cozy look, try folding down your comforter or your duvet, then with the extra piece, just kind of fold it back up in half, just to give it a really fluffy and full look. My final layer, I'm going to be adding in this velvet quilt at the foot of the bed. Doing this will add on the layers and it will also provide you with extra warmth if needed. As a room spray, I'll be using one of my favorite perfumes, Ambery Saffron from the company Dossier. This smells so good, and with just 2 sprays, your room will smell so luxurious and cozy. So I didn't want to go with a pumpkin or a cinnamon smell, but I did want to go with a scent that was like warm and rich. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys have enjoyed my tips on how to layer your bed for fall. If you have, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, and if you aren't already, please consider subscribing. I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.